In this video, I'll guide you through how to check Agoda deals so you can quickly spot the best prices and promotions when you're booking a place to stay. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open the Agoda website or app and search for hotels in the destination you're interested in. Type in the city or area you're traveling to, then add your check-in and check-out dates along with the number of guests and rooms. Once you've entered those details, hit search to bring up the list of available hotels. Taking a moment to set accurate dates and guest numbers is important because many deals are tied to specific nights or occupancy. When your search results appear, this is where you'll start looking for special offers. Agoda often highlights deals directly in the list of hotels, so scroll through slowly and pay attention to any labels that stand out. You might see words like deals, discounts, today's deals, or tags that mention lowest price. Sometimes there will be a small banner showing something like prices dropped or a percentage off, such as 20% off or save X% today. These labels are your first clue that a particular hotel has a promotion running. As you scan through the options, focus on the hotels that clearly show these promo tags. When you see a deal that looks promising, tap or click on that hotel to open the full listing. Opening the listing is essential because the quick view on the search page only gives you a summary. Inside the listing, you'll usually see more detailed information about exactly what the discount covers. Once the hotel page loads, scroll down to the room options and pricing section. Here, look closely at any room types that show crossed out prices, percentage discounts, or special notes like limited time deal or mobile only price. These are signals that there's an active promotion. You might also see text explaining that the discount is based on a previous higher rate or a special member price. Now take a moment to review the offer details carefully. Check whether the discount applies to all room types or just specific ones. Some deals only apply if you stay a certain number of nights, travel within a particular date range, or book before a deadline. Look at any conditions such as non-refundable bookings, prepayment requirements, or blackout dates. Even if the price looks great, you want to be sure you understand what you're agreeing to. It's also a good idea to compare the discounted room with other rooms in the same hotel. Sometimes a deal might apply to a smaller room or one without breakfast included, while another option might cost slightly more but include extra benefits. Reading the fine print of the promotion can help you judge whether the savings are really worth it for your needs. After you've reviewed everything, you'll have a clear sense of which Agoda deals are genuine value for you and which ones might not fit your plans. By searching for hotels, spotting deal labels in the results, opening the listings with promos, and then carefully reviewing the offer details, you'll be able to book confidently and make the most of the discounts available.